my camera, does this make sense for my camera to be at this angle? Eee. Is it fine? Is it moving? We're good? Hey guys, it's Ree. So I'm back again with another video. Finally, another banger. I told you guys I'm not about to, well, I don't know about another banger, but I told you guys I'm not about to be, you can see, all up in my bed. Back, it hasn't been a month. It's probably been less than a week since my last video, but I did buy some new products that I tested today. I'll leave the link of like when I went on the Sephora haul. I went to Sephora, I went to MAC, I went to Ulta. I think that's it. So I tried some new products. I bought some new products and I tried it on today. I didn't try on every product, but I'll probably try them on in future videos. This is basically what I got. If you guys want to see the products that I use, please continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know down below what you guys want to see next, because my dome that had all the ideas, it's running out and I just want to go off of like what you guys want to see now instead of what I want to put out. So besides that, let's get into the video and you guys can see some of the products that gave me a hard time and I had to work around. But let's get into the video. Okay, so my hair, I don't know if it, because I know this side is acting up and it's being very annoying. My hair is very, well, my hair is navy blue, so I didn't want to clash colors too much. I didn't want to look crazy, so I decided to pick up the Amethyst Obsessions palette. What am I watching? So I decided to pick up the Amethyst Obsession palette instead of the red one, because I feel like the red one was gonna make me look a little Sonic Knuckly cartoon type vibe, so I didn't want to do that. But this purple from the Amethyst collects whatever from this palette has blue sparkles in it, so I was like, whoa, we're different today. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got this basic ass cut crease. I didn't feel like doing too much because I might be going out. I don't like doing too much to my eyes. Like, I don't want to look like I have art on my face. I have art piece on my face. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did this basic ass look. So you guys know I'm blind, so I'll probably have to scoot up because I can't see shit. So of course I use my fawn. It'll never change. I add to my makeup routine that I don't need to really do, but I don't want to be doing the same shit forever. So same brush, same unwashed brush from I got this brush months ago in the shade Cinnamon Bun. So I'm gonna tap a little bit on my eyes, just a little. Nothing major. Nothing major. This palette doesn't have names on it, right? Nope. No, it doesn't. So I'm gonna be taking this first. Can you guys see this? All right. So I'm gonna be taking this pink color as my transition, this one to deepen it, and this one, which has like blue reflexive shit on it, as my cut crease. That's all I use. I didn't want to be extra. I didn't want to be too extra because, as I said, I might be going out and I don't want to look. I don't even know what color. If I go out, I don't even know what color. I'd probably only have, like, my only options would be all black. So I used this brush I got from Amazon, this big fat crease brush, and I think I layered this a lot, not because it's not pigmented, just because I didn't want it to be too harsh and I couldn't blend it out. So I'll probably fast forward this part. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the darker purple, and I'm gonna pack first before I blend it out, and I'm gonna pack it very heavy because I want it a little bit darker than what it's giving me. All right, I just take this fat ass brush to blend out the edges because I don't know what I'm doing with my makeup, and blending is not that deep to me, even though it should be. It's crazy because I'm thinking about my lip color right now, and you guys are gonna hate me because it's gonna be lip gloss. But I need to get, oh, that shit's right in front of me. So Porcelain, nothing new, Porcelain by LA Girl to cut my crease, but I'm gonna make my crease really, really small. Let somebody say something to me though. Then I'm gonna be taking, I should have used this because this is, okay, maybe I should just use this. I'm gonna take this color, has like the reflexive blue on it, and pat it. You don't have to pat too much. It's pigmented. It's not like a foil. You know, it's chunky as hell. This color is so pretty. I usually put a color over my cut crease, but I don't think I need to. I may have made a mistake though. But when I get my lashes from AliExpress, I usually end up taking them out its container, switching it around, and then I don't know where they came from, so they're most likely from AliExpress. I just don't know the style. Now I'm gonna take my Very Dramatic and thick and long as hell. So I'm gonna be taking these lashes, and I'm gonna be taking my Sad Ass lash grip. I don't usually use this. I always use like the Ardell, but my dumb ass bought 4 of these, so I have to finish them before I buy another eyelash glue, because it would not make sense. Just use this. Why is it not coming out? This is the dark glue. Didn't I just use this, or no? Because I don't think I've ever applied my lashes on camera, so I let this dry first. I'm gonna let you guys. Oh shit, I'm so dumb. I didn't even blend out my cut crease. I'm the dumbest bitch alive. Okay, so these are my lashes, and I also use the Best Mascara Great Lash by Maybelline to cover up my lashes. I don't put it on, I never put mascara on my lashes unless they're like really long and I want to wear them on like no makeup days. But you guys can tell how blue my hair is now, so you guys know I have blue hair and purple eyeshadow on, so hopefully I don't look too crazy. So I just wet my beauty blender. So the primer I'm going to use today, where did I get my primer from? I got it from Sephora. I used my primer today. It was an excuse just to buy the makeup, but this felt like no other primer. So yeah, maybe it felt like the same primer. I was just trying to find a reason to buy something new. But yo, this is original photo finish, smooth and blur. I'm not really trying to do like, oh, this shit is watery, sis. This is not how it felt at the store. I'm not trying to do like a review. I just want to do like a first impressions. Put all my hair behind my, oh. Damn, bitch. Okay. Damn, the primer basically just ran off my fucking finger. It's mad thin. Sis, what is this priming? My face feels oily as, feel like I washed my face in vegetable oil. Most nastiest feeling I've ever felt in my life. I feel vulnerable. I feel disgusted, disappointed, confused. I mean, did it smooth and blur? Alright, so we're just gonna put this away. We're gonna get another primer. Pore filler, but it's dirty, so you can't see it. Pore filler by NYX. I'm gonna get my brush by Real Techniques. This shit is always dropping. Stay in your lane. I'm gonna be getting my powder brush and my Huda Beauty cinnamon bun. This dead looks like my Laura Mercier. That's what color it is. And I'm gonna pat this with Elegance. Why is there glitter? It's for my eyeshadow. Thumbnail. All right. Do I want to apply this the bougie way because it's the bougie foundation, or I'm gonna apply it on the beauty blender. So I wet a beauty blender, It's not the new one that I just got, because this one is still pretty clean. So this is wet though. It's a little bit too wet right now. Fuck, how am I gonna apply this? I don't want to use a brush. Take a brush and then blend it out with a sponge. I was in the store. Look how good this, oh, okay, I'll show you guys when it settles, but this shit actually so good in the store. Why am I using a brush to blend this out when I just said I'm not going to? Right, so about that color match. Oh, I'm looking a little crazy on camera, but in the mirror, it's telling me good things, but on the camera, I'm seeing something different. So we won't know until we put the concealer on. So I'm gonna be using Fawn, of course, because that's what I use around my eyebrows. Whatever is around my eyebrows is whatever is gonna be my concealer for that time. And since I want to see the true color of the foundation, I'm not gonna drag this concealer out too much. It's gonna stay within its boundaries and be a good girl. I'll be back when I'm ready to blend this out because it's gonna take a long time. Okay, so it's time to blend out my concealer. It still looks a little bit wet, but I'm gonna try my best to keep this where I put it instead of dragging it farther. All right, so the only thing I know that could fix this little peanut butter looking green and brown at the same time type of situation is my black opal. So I put that all over my face, and I'm hoping in some type of way it will make the green a little bit. All right, I'll drag this a little bit high. The Huda Beauty baking powder to fix this mess. It's just such a good fucking powder, just doesn't make sense. So what the foundation looks like right now, in my mirror. Before it was looking a little green. I don't know if that was because of my camera, but I'm gonna reverse contour since all my powder has just fell on the floor and I have no other choice but to use it. So my hands are so dirty. So I'm gonna get my MAC. Oh my god, my fucking camera keeps like changing colors. Said that it's gonna give me a radiant shine, and I'm looking very dull right now, so let's see how this works right now. Oh my god, the mist is so the mist is so light. Go off. Oh, my hair is so wet though. Okay, now I'm just gonna use Max just to use it. So my highlight is gonna be purple from Maybelline, just because I don't want to use like a gold highlight and make everything look crazy. So don't hate me, but your girl has to do the lip gloss today, because I mean I could do Kylie, but I don't think I want to do Kylie, so excuse me, it might have to be the other tutorial. Your girl does not feel like wearing heavy or like matte lipstick right now, so I'm about to go put on my purple highlighter, do my lip gloss and shit. I don't think I'm gonna do anything to my eyes, the bottom of my eyes. Yeah, I'll just keep it like this, and I'll be back with the finished look. So this is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think about the products that I used and such. I know my foundation is giving off peanut butter, green, chocolatey brown, green, throw up, poop vibes, but I looked in the mirror and it looked kind of fine. Once I throw on my Snapchat camera, I'm gonna see the truth, but I don't want to do it on camera because I might be embarrassed. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.